you guys? Happy Saturday! How's everybody doing? It's Anna here in the kitchen. Today I decided to do a quick video on how to make pancit. Pancit is a staple in any Filipino party and we all love that because it feeds a lot of people. And pancit is always served because it's supposed to be meant for giving you long life, our guests long life. Anyways, this is an 8-minute concoction. So I can't wait to show you what we're gonna do. As usual, we are gonna warm up the electronic oil core skillet, my favorite cookware as of right now because it's just so versatile. It can do anything so quickly. So we're just gonna bump up the temperature to 450 degrees. There you go. 450, voila. We're gonna stick that here. And we're just gonna warm it up, right? So, these are my ingredients today. I've got shrimp and chicken here. I've got a celery, a carrot, zucchini. I've got cabbage, sweet peas, garlic and onions. So, when you ask, our lolas, our grandmas, and our aunties, the women who prepare their food, and you ask them how long it takes for them to prepare this concoction, they're gonna say an hour. Well, I don't have time for an hour. I don't have an hour to cook, to wait until it's eaten. So, let me show you how fast I can make it. Now, this thing here is a SALADMASTER food processor. This is where it all started, my love affair with cooking again. After feeding a gigantic family, I stopped because it was just myself, but you just can't get me out of the kitchen. So this food processor has 5 cones, different sizes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can be creative with your food. It's just so much fun and everything is just super easy. So let me show you. Let me show you. All right, I'm gonna start with this cone. You can use it also for your cheese. Look, it's so easy because there are notches at the back. You just roll it like that. And then it locks itself. You push this thing in. Check this out. Easy as pie, no pressure. No pressure. I'm going to be making a very healthy pancit because I'm on a roll. Ever since I bought my SALADMASTER equipment, I just can't stop cooking because it's brought out the flavor of food again. It's like crazy fun. All right, here's the zucchini. It's so easy. We don't have to peel it. You just wash your vegetables really well. I'm gonna finish this off so that no food goes to waste. You just put that like so. And then check this out. You can stick your hand inside. There's no blade inside. Just to get all of your veggies out of the cone. So I've got my zucchini here and see how pretty that is. And then I've got my celery. If you guys like to take the ribbing out, you can do that without having to take it out because the machine will do that for you. It's crazy. All right. And you're just slightly pushing that down. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. Okay, and where is it? It should be somewhere there. I just have a little, ooh, that really actually smells good. Make your food fragrant. See, that stringy part does not belong to your dish. And I'm gonna put it right about here. Okay, so I've got my celery over here. Okay, next we are going to do the cabbage. Oh, actually, let me use the potato, the tomato, onions. I'm gonna change my cone to the slicer just so that I can show you the many uses of this food processor, which I just absolutely love. So this is my onion right here, and I just, again, do the same thing, slices. It's not gonna make you cry. It's fast and easy. And voila, right there. Oops. Okay, let me take the yellow part over there. Clean your dish like so. And then you have your onions. How cool is that? It didn't even make me cry. And then now we're gonna work on the cabbage. You know, when I used to cook with cabbage, I take this thing out because it's bitter. But lo and behold, when I started cooking with the SALADMASTER cookware system, during our training, we've been told that that's where all the nutrients are kept. So ever since, I kept it there, okay? So here you go. And look at the fun that is. It just makes it so easy. Cooking is fun again. So you can use this machine also to make your coleslaw. And then if you have these big things here, and they're slipping and sliding away, there is a compartment here. And you can just put that there. And use that to hold it in. And grind as much cabbage as you want. Now I want a lot of cabbage. It's a good filler. Lots of vitamins also. So we'll use that. Perfect. I'm not gonna finish this whole thing. Okay, yeah. Ooh, hold on a second. The onions is making me cry. It's not the Korean drama that I've been watching, it's the onions. That's what's keeping me up at night. This Korean romance. You watch 18 episodes and they haven't kissed yet. It's the sweetest way of representing young, innocent love. Hooray for Korean K-pop drama, I guess is what they call it. Just love it. It's my way of relaxing after a long day's work. All right, there's my cabbage. And then the final thing with me, let's see here. I'm gonna change this. And then I am going to use this, the smallest blade, just so that I can put my garlic. You know that you can actually use the SALADMASTER food processor to, peel and chop your garlic without having to, having to peel it. But I have these things that has been sitting in my fridge, so go figure. I'm just going to use whatever I have there. Alrighty, perfect. It is dishwasher safe. You just put it in your sink, on hot water, wash it, and it's all good. So, check this out. How fast was this? Bada bing, bada boom. Alrighty. So, my electric oil core system is already hot. And it is so easy to do this because we're essentially just layering everything. To test if it's hot enough, I will voila, right? So I'm just gonna put my onions, right? The onions there. Put my shrimp. This is really crazy. Oops, it's so different from how it's traditionally cooked. And then I have here the cornstarch sticks, the behind. So we just get one, what do you call this? One pad. Just layer it there. We've got the egg noodles, pancit canton. I'm not even going to use a big bag. I'm just going to use maybe half to a quarter of it. Because this thing expands like crazy. So, oopsie. Alright. I wanted to show you the brand, that's why I didn't take it out of the bag. But you basically just tear it into pieces and dump everything like so. Alright, so we've got the noodle there. Okay. Let's add a handful more. Alright, I've got my noodle over there. And then we are going to put a cup of water. And then we're gonna put half a cup of your favorite broth for flavor. Okay, so far so good. And then, now we're going to dump our veggies. So you've got your carrots, your celery right there, and we are not going to stir this not moving any of these things for 8 minutes. How crazy is that? You're just gonna leave it like that. I like the snap peas. I am on a vegetable binge because ever since I cooked with my cookware, like I was telling my friend, my taste buds just heightened like no tomorrow. Everything just seemed really tasty. All right, and then I have the cabbage. Look at this. You know, we call it dump, or in Tagalog, it's called tambak. You basically just pile everything up, make your life easy, right? Look at that. Crazy, right? All right, let me just put this on the side. And then I have this. After that, I'm just gonna top it with the leftover chicken that I had sitting in my fridge from yesterday's leftover. Okay. Craziness. This is how you make pancit using this new technology. Now, I am trying to reduce my salt intake, right? So I am still putting flavor, but I am no longer using as much salt as I used to. And I'm not masking the taste of the food. Oh, I can't open this. Give me just a second here. I'm not masking the taste. Okay, really? Oh my goodness. There you go. Not masking the taste of the food. So I'm just gonna put a little oyster sauce just for a little zing. Zing. There you go. All right. That's not a lot. It just looks a lot, right? And then I am going to put a sprinkle of pepper just for a little zing to my pancit. All right, and then I'm just gonna flatten this up just like so, just to make sure that I am not, I don't have anything in between the lip of my pan and the lid, because that is key, because we need to make sure that that one is sealed. There you go. I'm just gonna spin this. That's going to take care of sealing, creating a vacuum in the pan. And then we're gonna time it to 8 minutes. And I will be back in 8 minutes to show you what this pancit looks like, the new way of cooking it with the SALADMASTER. I'll catch you guys later when the pancit is done. All right, and 8 minutes has passed, and literally while this one was cooking, for 8 minutes, I actually was there just clearing up the dishes and trying to just make the most of my time so that I don't have to clean that after I eat. You know, it's a clean as a go thing. Check this out. This is my pancit. It looks and smells delicious, and you literally just mix it like so. Look at how bright the vegetables are. The color is fantastic. Nothing's burnt. The shrimp, the chicken. Ooh la la, mama. Okay, let me just do this properly. And you just mix it and blend all the noodles. And voila. Look at that. Ooh. Perfect. And there, my friends, is our pancit. Our pancit made of cornstarch sticks and egg noodles and your fresh vegetables. And now we're gonna try it. Check it out. Let me just spot this here. Look at that. Right there. Woo! Okie doke. Let me pull this from the plug. Let's put it on my serving dish and let us taste this puppy. You can see I didn't put salt, but I did get salt from the broth and from the oyster sauce, but that's it. You know what? When I started the journey of eating much better, healthier than I used to, I feel lighter, less bloaty, And like I said, my taste buds just is so sensitive that everything that I eat, I can taste everything. Here we go. Bon appetito! It's Anna in the kitchen making pancit today, all of 8 minutes. Oh my goodness gracious. I've had this so many times. In the last 2 weeks that I've been doing dinner shows, it never gets old. It is just so healthy and refreshing. No oil, minimal salt, no table salt. Just your veggies, your noodle and broth with shrimp and chicken. Winning. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for joining me. Watch out for my next video when I cook the next home cooked meal.